Good day, this is SciPi, and today we're going to look at yes, no, and you're going to get to hear me sing, should it stay or should it go? And what we're going to do is look at an equation and decide which term needs to be moved. I've had students that just look at it and they don't have any idea. So we're going to establish just a rule up front that we're going to keep the variables on the left-hand side and our numbers on the right-hand side. Now we can do either in algebra. It'll work well. But since we're just starting out, let's just make the rule for now. Variables, that's X, Y, Z, that's your alphabet, on the left-hand side, and your numbers on the right-hand side. So let's look at 3x plus 6 equals 12. All right, this is a variable. Should it stay on the left-hand side? Yes, so I'm going to put a little y up there. How about 6? It's a number. Where should it be? That's right, it should be over here. So no, it's in the wrong spot. Is the 12 in the right spot? Yes. So should it stay or should it go? What should go up here in this equation? 6, that's right, because it has the no above it. So what is the opposite of plus 6? The inverse of plus 6 is minus 6. Remember that in algebra, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. That's just one of those rules we can't get rid of. Now let's check. 6 take away 6 is 0. I've got that right. So 3x is 6. And now what do? They're both on the right side. We got this on the left side, this on the right side. So now we're going to divide. And x is 2. Let's try another one that's a little more complicated. All right, let's look at this equation. Notice I have a variable, a number, a variable, a number. Oh, my soul, what am I going to do? Well, let's do yes, no, should it stay or should it go? All right, remember we've made the rule, variables left side, numbers right side. So this is in the right spot. We're going to put a Y for yes. Uh-oh, wrong spot. Uh-oh, wrong spot. How about the number? Right spot. All right, so we know that the no's have to go. So how do I get rid of a negative 4? Anybody? Okay, Abigail's right. We're going to add 4, and if I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. Where does it go? Does it go here or does it go here? And I want to know why. Okay, that's excellent. Excellent, Samuel. It's going to go under the 11 because it's a number. It doesn't have a variable with it. So, make sure these equal 0, and they do. So now I have 12x left there. And on this side, I have 7x plus 15. So let's do our yes, no again. Is 12x on the correct side? Yes. How about 7x? No. 15, yes. So what am I going to get rid of? The 7x. It's going to go, isn't it? So how do I get rid of it? Correct. I'm going to subtract 7x, so now I have to do it to this side. Check to make sure that those equal 0. So now I have 5x equals 15, and if I divide both sides by 5, I get x is 3. All right, let's do one more. All right, let's look at this equation. Oh my goodness, 5y plus 16 minus y equals 16 plus y plus 3. I don't even want to work it. Yes, you do, because yes, no, should it stay or should it go? So let's go down the line, and we have what? Yes, very good. No, very good. Oh, another yes. Let's go to the other side. Remember, this is the side we want to keep our numbers. Yes. No. Yes. Oh my goodness, I have more than one yes on this side, and I have more than one yes on this side. Do you know why? Because I'm supposed to put together these things before I go on. These are like terms. So let's rewrite and put our like terms together. Remember, when you move a term, the sign goes with it. When you move a term, the sign goes with it. So this is plus y. Uh-oh, there's no sign in front of there. That's right, it would be a plus. I can't fool you guys. All right, so what's 5y take away y? Equals y plus 19. So again, let's go back. What did this tell me? When I have more than one yes on the side of the equation, on one side of the equation, then I need to put together like terms before I move on. Now, let's do the yes, no for this. We have a yes, no, no, yes. All right, so what shall we get rid of first? That's right, let's get rid of the 16. The inverse of positive 16 is negative. So now I have, is that 0? Okay, always check. Y plus 3. All right, so I have a yes, a no, and a yes. So what do I need to clear? The y. The opposite of plus y is minus y. So I have 3y equals 3. And if I divide by 3, I get 1. Now, class, you should always know if you have the right answer or not. You should check. I have all of my students check some of their equations each time, which means I would take one and plug it back into here. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so we took this and solved it, and we found out that y was equal to 1. And I'm going to say, I want you to prove this equation. In other words, when I'm done, I should get what I call the reflexive axiom. This side should be the same as that side. So let's plug in, wherever we see a y, let's plug in a 1. So we have 5 times 1 plus 16 minus 1 equals 16. What's our y? Plus 1 plus 3. So 5 times 1 is 5. Huh, that was hard. And I'm going to go ahead and work this. 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 3 is 20. 15 plus 16 is 21. Take away 1 is 20. So 20 is 20. Good job. See you next time.